Habakot ka kenta kali jingkeli haka sengi bersipau ke dorbar mangtingka jong ke yang dorbar tauan ke jela Meghalaya haka arpo hinyo terik rempang arajar arpun riu haswa Thomas A sangma ulampang ke yang un penyat yagi weipat kikam haka dorbar ubak senyau bhalang dhar usembut menteri rangba ubri kmi ya ketenat transport ula yang badra daka point of order kat kum ke rule balaispa halor ke jingkran ubak ardan mila besayo moj UMLA ke nongkrem haka short duration discussion ke day bat ke kaipot jong ke expert committee halor ke reservation policy ke bala wanra haka sengi ke bapra jong ke dorbar mangtingka jong ke yeng dorbar min haka arpusan terik rempang arajar arpun riu ubak senyau bhalang dhar ula ong ba uba ardan haba wanra ke tega discussion ula kedau halor ke Ktien Khasi klam de kentop lang ya ke Ktien Jingïania ula ong bakat kum ke reservation policy la kedau tek bat bha na ke benta ki Khasi bat Jingïania kumta bandai ban Pyndonkam borbor kum bakalong kata Khasi bat Jingïania haba yakran halor ke reservation policy ula ong bau kerpat yau lampang ban bu yaki jingbo jing tho hayang dorbar badai ban kedau bet Khasi bat Jingïania haba kran halor ka tega policy.
Question hour is now over. Now we move on to the next question. Mr. Speaker, sir, I rise to raise the point of orders under Rule 300. On the speech made by Sri Aden M. Labasamos, member from Nongkrems, on the short duration discussion relating to the report on the reservation policy. On the 25th February, while participating in the discussion, the Honourable Member Sri Aden Labasamos has referred on the term Khasi are not inclusive of Jingïania. So, as we all know, as per reservation policy, it is specifically reserved for Khasi and Jingïania. So, therefore, it should always be referred as Khasi and Jingïania whenever we discuss the reservation policy. So, I therefore request your Honourable Speaker to put on the record on the proceedings of the House that it should always be referred as Khasi and Jingïania whenever we refer to the reservation policy. This is my submission.
Hadian kanela yang sauba ardan ubala ong kumilenti ba usembut menteri rangba un kam yar hagarukam perkat baru depan soto ya ke jingmot un nongwan ra ya kamat ula ong habau ong ki Khasi utip ki Khasi bat benrap bola dep ban kran haka yeng ba kamdani e ban pendo ke jing temu da kom waipan ya kinu ki waipat ki jaj benriu ula ong ba borbor Pyndonkam ya ka Ktien ki Khasi namar ukwa ban penyatli ya ki sub tribe jong ki Khasi khanang manam dan ke jing perkat bakla ula ong ba kamdai kamat ya kran ka bahe kat usembut menteri rangba bonwan ra yaka.
Sir, I think I would expect the Honourable Deputy Chief Minister to be measured enough. He should understand the minds of the mover. When I say the Khasis, I know who are the Khasis. You know, I had already mentioned in this August House, there's nothing to deprive or nothing, no ill intention against any community. But I always use Khasis because I want to unify the sub-tribes of the Khasis so that no one will misunderstand. So I think that is not a major issue, sir, to be expected for a minister in his status to raise in this August House. Sir, nothing as such as I've said, but I will continue to go to the people and tell that we are one. As the community, we are one as a tribe, and the attempt to mention to the outside world that there are 3 tribes in Meghalaya is completely wrong. We belong to the same tribe, the Panar, the Kinriam, the War, so on and so forth. So I don't think, sir, that is too serious a matter for you to discuss, sir.
Maria Dapkran uba ardan la yang soba wailat miki shilla umentri beri kmi ya katanat ka kot kia ubala ong bagajing tmu kam dei ban kedau yano henrei kabaya ther hayeng dorbar kan ne ha gajing bo jing tho ula ong baka reservation policy khat kandai spa hnyau puar ka kedau shai badon Khasi bat Jingïania bat la Pyndonkam ha gajing penyat ya ka senchar khadar bat kumta kam don jing tmu ban pharia.
Honourable Speaker, sir, I just want to add on that, sir. We not here, sir, to point anything about anyone. But we do realize, sir, whatever discussed in the House will stay on the record.
Yes.
And, sir, if you see on the notification on the reservation on 1972, it's clearly mentioned, sir, Khasi and Jingïania. So, sir, there is nothing, sir, we are saying. It's just, sir, we don't want, sir, like in the future, if we look back at the debates, sir, we want that, sir, this, and it has been used as administrative, sir, words, sir, Khasi and Jingïania. So that is the only request. There is nothing, sir, we want to divide or anything. But just, sir, we don't just want to be placed on record, sir. That's all, sir. Thank you.
Halor kani uba ardan ulaong ba uyahab ya kabau menteri upun pau bat ong ba Pyndonkam ya ki Ktien Khasi Jingïania henry umon pat ban ong ki Khasi ban yada ya ki bor banabar ban pia.
I tend to agree with the Honorable. If we are using this Khasi Jingïania, I use, it doesn't mean that I never use, but deliberately I would love to use Khasis so that we will, be able to prevent from any outside force to divide us.
Ulampang hadian kani ulaong bakat kom ki jingbo jingtho la kado borbor Khasi bat Jingïania bat ulapen bet yaki.
That is only the mind of the who brought the short duration discussion, but as per records, it is always referred as Khasi and Jingïania. So I will put the record straight. My decision stands.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus F hakajingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat akabatau bha kam kta ika dur jingki marbam kajing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we kajing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba kambha kajing im ba kambha Pyndonkam daki marba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.